Video guys, magluluto tayo ng ampalaya with egg. Lagay na natin yung ampalaya. Haluin lang natin siya guys ng kaunti. Tapos takpan. Buksan ng takip. At ilagay na natin yung egg. So, put the egg. Then, let it cover. So, hintayin lang natin siya mag-dry yung egg, guys. Okay na to, guys. That's all. Thank you and God bless everyone. Bye-bye.